Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a 1972 short bed stepside C10 truck here that just finished a ground up restoration. It's power steering, power brakes, bucket seats. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred vehicles, collector vehicles, all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you can be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in this short bed truck. Honestly, I bought this truck about a month ago. We're a little bit behind, so I'm just getting to it now. I put a call into the gentleman I bought it from just to refresh my memory on a few pointers. He didn't answer yet, but go to the website and there might be more information once I write the ad than what I can tell you today. I'm pretty certain he said it was body off the frame restored. Underneath is super clean. The frame, like the wood slats, are finished from the bottom. It's got a really nice dual exhaust. From the muffler's back, it looks like it's stainless steel. They're like a glass pack style muffler. Comes out on each side here. It's a turbo 350 automatic with a chrome pan. Looking up at the motor, it still looks new and fresh. The starter and fuel pump, all that stuff looks new. It's disc brakes in front. So bottom of the truck is really clean. Pretty sure he told me it was frame off. Tires look new, wheels look new. The body and paint work's really nice. Corners of the cabs are real good. The gap is spot on and flush. Door fits really nice. New rubber gaskets, new mirror, new emblems. This is all nice. No bubbles, no issues. All this fits nice and square. New rubber gasket around the windshield. The glass is new too. All this is nice. It looks like new lenses. The bumper looks real nice. Grill looks to be really good. I don't know if this is new or just painted silver, but the grill looks real nice, not broken. Lines up good. All this is super nice. I don't think there's any miles on it. There's no chips or nicks. But the mirror, the moldings, the door handles, the rubber seals, all that's excellent. Inside the cab is all painted. The jambs are painted, new weather strip. So this is the step side. Literally, that's what it means. Short bed truck, so super desirable. All clean metal. New lenses, new tail lights, reverse lights, bumper. Tailgate's painted up real nice. This Chevrolet here. He has some custom latches. Well, that was easy. Real nice latches and cables. Look at the woods all refinished with stainless steel brackets and hardware to hold it down. Inside the box is not beat up. It's all nice. Looks like stainless steel hardware. This side's just as nice as the other side. It has a sliding rear window. That all looks new. The rubber gasket's new. These doors open and close super easy. The interior is real nice, very comfortable. Bucket seats, they don't look worn. Sometimes they take these out of a used vehicle and sometimes they're worn. These look excellent. The cushion's nice and firm. It has armrests that fold down. There's a nice center console. Looks like it's very functional. It's a tilt column with an old vintage 70s style steering wheel. All the metal's painted nice. Door panels are new. Instrument bezel, knobs, visors, mirror, all that looks new. There's a new retro stereo in the dash. I don't know if that's hooked up. I seen the wires hanging down, so that might need to be wired in. He did put in inside hood release. Normally they just open out front, but it does have an inside hood release. I just checked the codes. It's a 307 V8 motor. It's been rebuilt. It has power steering, power brakes. All the components in here look new. The fiberglass heater box is clean. The blower motor, the wire going to it looks new. The fan shroud, The air cleaner has HEI ignition. Like I said, the fuel pump, the battery's bolted down. Everything in here is really nice. Looks like it has new seat belts, new carpet, new dash pad. Inside the glove box is new. We'll fire it up for you. It runs nice. Shuts real nice. Nice truck, really is. Fits nice, it's clean. Power steering, power brakes still have the stickers on it. Actually, the steering looks like it's new. All the steering linkage. Hinges are painted. Firewalls under the hood's nice. It's a show quality truck. Easy to drive, comfortable to drive. Yeah, lots of storage in the center console. So there you have it. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can find plenty of ways to reach out to the salesman. I gave you my impression of what I see here on the truck. If you have more specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask. They can help you out with all those things, including delivery and financing and all the paperwork that's involved. They'll help with all of that. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.